Hi, my name is Suzy Rhoades with PassMasters. In this video, I am going to cover some definitions that you will find on your securities law exams. So that would include your Series 63, Series 65, and Series 66. This week, the topic is agent. So, what's an agent? Who's an agent? Let's look at the definition. An agent is an individual who represents a broker-dealer or an issuer when selling or trying to sell securities to the investing public. So the term agent, that's you. So it's an individual. That seems really obvious, but the individual works for the firm, broker-dealer, or issuer. So we'll talk a little bit more about that. Agents are also known as registered representatives. So agent is a term that you're going to see within the law questions of your exam. So agent under the Uniform Securities Act. The USA is state securities law, sometimes referred to as blue sky laws. The term registered representative is a term you're going to see on your FINRA exam. So your law exams, those are written by NASAA, the North American Securities Administrators Association, whereas your SIE, your Series 6, your Series 7, those are exams that are written by FINRA. So registered representative is a product license, SIE plus the top off of 6 or SIE plus the top off of 7. Whereas an agent license, a 63, allows you to register in a state as an agent. 65 and 66, those are investment advisor representative licenses. So different from an agent license. So it's entirely possible that you will have your SIE, your Series 6 or Series 7, your 63, which allows you to register in a state, and an investment advisor representative license of 65 or 66. You can only take 66 if you have or plan on getting your Series 7. So a lot of different terms here, and that's what can make a law exam challenging, knowing what the words mean and not putting in words that aren't in a question. So the whole point of this term agent is so that we know who has to register in this state. Most states, in order to sell securities in this state, will require that an individual is registered in this state. To be registered in this state, you have to be an agent. An individual is not considered an agent if he or she represents an issuer in the sale of an exempt security or in an exempt transaction, unless a commission is paid. What? Okay, let's back up for a second. When you're selling securities for a broker-dealer, no matter what you sell or how you sell it, you must be registered as an agent. So if you're selling exempt securities or non-exempt securities, you must be registered as an agent. But what if you're selling for the issuer? Well, if you're selling for the issuer securities and you're getting paid a commission, no matter what you sell or how you sell it, you must be registered as an agent of the issuer. So be careful on the test. The test loves, are you registering as an agent of the broker-dealer or as an agent of the issuer? So you are a detective in these questions. Every word matters. So if you are selling securities for the issuer and the securities that you're selling are exempt securities, or you're selling through an exempt transaction, then you need not register as an agent of the issuer. Unless you get paid a commission, then you must. Then you must register as an agent of the issuer. So I like to call law mental gymnastics. Oftentimes it's been a while since you've thought like this. It's crazy thinking, I know, but you can do it. My students do really well on the law portions of their exams. So we talked about how agent is the term used on the law exams, whereas on your Series 6, Series 7, or SIE, you're referred to as a registered representative. This term, registered representative, includes securities salespersons, individuals who supervise, solicit, or conduct business in securities, individuals who train people to supervise, solicit, or conduct business in securities, and anyone who is not a principal. So a principal has their Series 24, overseeing people with their Series 7s and Series 6s. A Series 26 is a limited principal license where you would only oversee people that had their Series 6. So if you're not a principal at the firm and you are not engaged in clerical or brokerage administration, then you are subject to registration and exam licensing as a registered representative. So FINRA exams, registered rep. NASAA exams, agent, or investment advisor representative. But right now, we're just talking about the term agent. So someone who sells securities either for the broker-dealer or for the issuer must register as an agent in this state. Let's look at some practice questions. An individual can register as an agent of. Choices include an issuer. Yes. A broker-dealer. Yes. An investment advisor? No, you can never register as an agent of an investment advisor. Last choice, always read all 4 choices. An issuer or a broker-dealer. That would be the correct answer to this question. An agent is either an agent of the broker-dealer or an agent of the issuer. When an individual is involved in effecting securities transactions for a broker-dealer, she must register as a broker-dealer. No, that's the firm level. Agent of the issuer. No, it says right in the question, is involved in effecting transactions for a broker-dealer. So what must she register as? An agent of the broker-dealer. Nothing in this question had to do with the giving of investment advice. So if you were giving investment advice, then you would be an investment advisor representative. You would be working for an investment advisor. So that's a whole nother video. It's coming, I promise. Last question. An individual represents an issuer in the sale of exempt securities. So let's just pretend that that's all the question says. If that's all it says, then this individual need not register as an agent. But this question says for a commission. So if you are selling securities for the issuer and you're making a commission, it doesn't matter what kind of securities you're selling, exempt or non-exempt, an exempt transaction or a non-exempt transaction, you must register. So the issuer must register as a broker-dealer? No. The individual is exempt from registration? No. It's that for a commission that makes this individual need to register. So do they need to register as an agent of the broker-dealer or as an agent of the issuer? Yes, as an agent of the issuer. How do you know? It said so in the question. So definitions are a huge part of being successful on a NASAA exam. I hope this video helped you with the term agent and registered representative. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn your notifications on. If you want to check out PassMasters Securities course offerings, there is a link found in the description to this video. I hope to have you as a student soon. Keep up the good work. Happy studies. You got this.